Discovering tastes. Not my cup of tea, explained. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard before. Not my cup of tea. This expression is a fantastic example of how English speakers use idioms to convey their preferences in a colorful and vivid manner. Whether you're learning English for fun, work, or travel, understanding these types of phrases can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, "not my cup of tea," is a classic example of British English that has become popular worldwide. At its core, this idiom expresses a personal dislike or a lack of interest in something. Interestingly, it doesn't have anything to do with tea itself. Instead, think of it as a polite and indirect way of saying that something does not appeal to you or that you do not enjoy it. For instance, if someone asks if you like horror movies and you're not a fan, you might respond, "Horror movies? They're not really my cup of tea." This conveys your feelings without directly saying you dislike them. The exact origin of "not my cup of tea" is a bit murky, but it's believed to have originated in the UK during the early 20th century. Tea, as you might know, is a significant part of British culture. So, it's no surprise that it found its way into the language as a metaphor for personal taste and preference. Originally, the phrase was used in a positive form, "my cup of tea," indicating something that a person found particularly to their liking. Over time, the negative form, "not my cup of tea," became more common to express disinterest or dislike. Using "not my cup of tea" in conversation is quite simple and can add a touch of politeness and nuance to your expressions of dislike. Here are a few tips. Use it to politely decline something that you're offered but don't enjoy, such as a genre of music, food, or an activity. It's perfect for situations where you want to express your preferences without sounding too harsh or negative. You can also use it in a more humorous or ironic context, depending on your tone of voice and the situation. Here are some examples. "I tried watching that new TV show, but it's just not my cup of tea. Thanks for inviting me to the soccer game, but sports aren't really my cup of tea." Understanding idioms like "not my cup of tea" can greatly enrich your English learning journey, making your conversations more vibrant and expressive. Remember, idioms often don't make sense when translated word for word, so it's important to learn them in context. We hope this video has been helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this charming phrase in your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.